Hey guys, welcome back to BA Adventures.
Hi.
Today we are again at Silver Dollar City and got a few things planned for you, so come with us. Alright, so we are in the parking lot and today we decided to do the free parking.
Yes. We usually do preferred.
Yeah, we usually do preferred. It's not too expensive, about $15.
$14 for a season pass, and I think it's $20 for if you're not season pass holders.
Okay, so
it's not too terrible, but
no, that's not bad at all, really, in my opinion.
I would say it's halfway from
Yeah.
like the free parking.
Yeah. This is about a mile walk, and it's free.
It's not too bad for us though, because we got really close.
Yeah.
In it, so.
That's also true. But they also have little trams that can take you up here as well. But anyway, what do we have planned for these guys today?
So I want to ride the Time Traveler.
Yep, that's their newest coaster.
And it spins you kind of
Yeah.
at the same time. So
yeah, the car or the train spins. So and
it'll
then
be interesting. And
I have never ridden Wildfire here. And it's one of their not their oldest roller coaster, but it is one of their first coasters that go upside down.
yeah,
So I'm excited to ride it.
kind of legendary, I think.
It is.
I lost a cell phone back when middle school in that ride. So don't bring your cell phone.
That's why they say to put it up. And then we've got a magic show planned for you, so you guys need to stick around for that, as well as some shows of the music that they have playing throughout the park.
Lindley Creek, I believe, is one of them that we want to see.
Okay. Yep. So we'll see Lindley Creek. But anyway, we are getting up here to the gate, and when we get inside, we will see you inside.
All right, guys, we made it into the park, and we got one of those famous cinnamon rolls because we have not had breakfast yet, and some hot cocoa in our refillable cup. So since we get a discount because of the cup, we decided to do hot cocoa. It's perfect because it's freezing out here too. So take a bite, Brady, and see what it is. These are famous, so I hope you like it.
That's the cinnamon roll.
It's just a cinnamon roll. 10 out of 10 would recommend. All right.
All right, so the cinnamon roll was really good. I wasn't a huge fan of the hot chocolate.
I love the hot chocolate, but my cold soul loves it. So.
Yes. So we are waiting for them to open up the rest of the park.
I have a
Rest of
critique
it
on
too?
the cinnamon roll real quick. It would be better if it was warmed up.
Yeah, I
It really
agree.
would have been better. It was
I agree.
good though.
It was good, but it had been sitting there for a little bit. But anyway, we are sitting here, and as you can see behind me, we are in the main square, and over here, behind me here, are people waiting to get in, and this is where we are heading to go get on Time Traveler. So Ashley is very excited about that. So anyway, that being said, we will see you when we get over to Time Traveler. All right, we've made it over here to the entrance of Time Traveler, and as you can see, it has a very unique entrance and a very cool clock structure. Yes, that is a working clock. So let's see if this ride is just as cool. Okay, so we just got off of Time Traveler, and wow.
I think it's my favorite Silver Dollar City ride, honestly.
Oh, it has to be mine too.
It's so awesome.
I mean, I haven't ridden Wildfire yet, but you just immediately drop out of the
We were backwards when we dropped.
Yeah,
and
we
he
were.
was talking about it, but I had totally forgot. And so like you went down and it was so scary because you can't see where you're going.
Oh, I know. That's got to be one of my favorite coasters. That made the top 5.
Yeah.
That made my top 5 coaster list, and I've been to Universal
Yeah.
and Busch Gardens.
And Hollywood Studios.
Well, we didn't ride a roller coaster in
That's
Hollywood
true.
Studios.
That's true.
So.
But I will say this, like, if you're scared of the spinning part, because I can't do, like, teacups, it's not like that. It's not aggressive spinning or anything like that. And what is really cool about this ride is you can see other people's reactions on a roller coaster.
Yeah.
You usually don't get to do that while you're riding it, so it's kind of fun to watch other people.
Yeah. Don't miss this ride when you guys come here. Okay? Seriously. It's totally worth it.
Yes.
So, anyway, are we going to try and hit Wildfire now?
Yeah,
All right.
let's do that.
We're going to try and hit Wildfire, and we will see you when we get over there. All right, bye guys. On our way to Wildfire, we're just gonna go across the swinging bridge. This is very an iconic little walkway. It's right next to the kids' little bungee bounce thing right over there. But as you can see in the video, this thing is very, very bouncy as it's bouncing in front of me. And you can lose your balance. And I am doing my best to hold still while walking. And Ash is bouncing the bridge behind me. Oh, she says she's just walking. But as we started going uphill, I went side to side. Almost to the end. All right, we made it. Anyway, Wildfire is next. Okay, we made it to the entrance of Wildfire. It's gonna be my first time riding. I'm kind of excited. So anyway, that's not a water tower, that's a fuel tower. So we just got off Wildfire and it was amazing. It was really fun. I liked it a lot. It reminded me of the Hulk from Universal, but
I think it's smoother though.
it is. I think it's about the same. But I will say that I like Time Traveler better. I can firmly say that now. Time Traveler is a whole lot more fun. But this is definitely a coaster you do not want to miss when you come here also. So anyway, I think it's time for us to go see some shows.
Yeah.
So when we get over to, who are we seeing first?
Let's check out the Lindley Creek up near
Lindley
the
Creek. So
front.
we're gonna go see Lindley Creek near the front of the theme
park,
park. The park. So that's up the hill, as you know. We don't go deeper in the. You go deeper in the park, you just go down the hill. But anyway, we're gonna go up front and see Lindley Creek, and we'll see you when we get there.
Hi. So we just made it to the Lindley Creek show, and we're so excited to see it. We better hurry before they start.
And we are so excited to be out here with y'all today, playing some music and having a good time. I'm going to introduce us to y'all real quick so that way you can know who we are. Over here playing the guitar, that is my mom, Kathy. Back here on the upright doghouse bass, that is my dad, John Rob. Over here playing the fiddle is my big brother, Jace. Over here playing the dobro, that is Jace's wife, Caroline. My name is Katie, and that makes us Lindley Creek. And folks, we're out here today to play some music and to have a good time, and we would like to invite you guys to have a good time with us. So that means that y'all have our permission to just clap your hands, stomp your feet, hoot and holler, get up and dance. Y'all just do whatever you need to do today to have a good time, because we're gonna have some fun. And we're gonna do a song right now that is our current radio single, which means this is a song that we are trying to bribe radio stations into playing. No, I'm kidding, but it's kind of working. If you listen to Sirius XM's Bluegrass Junction, you probably heard our music on there quite a bit this year, which is super exciting. But we're going to do that song right now. I hope you guys like it. My heart still holds a tender every time I hear your name, and reignites the embers of your love into a flame, like a bridge I can't get over, a fire I can't put out, even though the story's ended. It's a book I can't put down. They say when one door closes, another opens up for you, but your memory's gonna hold on me. I just can't walk through. Every time a train goes by, my confidence grows. I can face any old whistle that blows. Every time a train goes, every time a train goes by, my confidence grows. I can face any old whistle that blows. Every time a train goes by.
Hi guys, so we just finished the Lindley Creek performance. It was not Lindsay, it was Lindley, and it was really good. I really liked it. It was enjoyable. Brady, not so much into the bluegrass, but he still liked it. So you should definitely check them out on Spotify. They're on there too. So Lindley Creek. Thanks, guys.
For lunch, we are stopping by the Rivertown Smokehouse. We will show you a menu here in a second. So their menu consists of different types of platters, a 1 meat for $15.99, 2 meats for $18.99, which I think that's what we're gonna get. Baby back ribs, a half rack and a full rack, half smoked chicken. You've got a triple pork, which has 3 different types of pork on it. Pulled pork, bacon, and smoked sausage. Smoked turkey, and kids menu and salad. So anyway, we'll let you know what we get inside. So we ended up getting the 2 meat platter, which came with a dinner roll, and we got shredded pork. So pulled pork, not shredded, sorry, pulled pork and some sausage, and then we both got mac and cheese. So it should be really good. And we got a
Refill soda.
what kind of soda?
Dr. Pepper.
We got some Mr. Pibb in there.
Yes, because they don't have Dr. Pepper.
Dr. Pepper here. So we're gonna let you know how this is and see after we eat. Okay, so I decided to talk about it real quick. And, mac and cheese tastes really good. It's not like a yellowish cheese; it's more of a whitish cheese. And I haven't had the pulled pork yet, so I'm gonna give it a try.
It's restaurant quality.
Yeah, it's restaurant quality for sure. Pretty good for a theme park. The sausage here, it's really good. I like it a lot. It has that nice pop in your mouth. Anyway, after we get done eating, we are gonna go see the magic comedy show.
It's right by here.
It is right by here.
Uh-huh.
Yep. And like Ash did want to mention.
So it's actually really cool. It's right by the Mystic River, where you can see everybody get soaked on the water rides, and that's pretty cool.
I can't believe people are riding that today. It's really cool.
They're crazy. I could not do it.
No, I'm out.
We're sitting underneath the heater.
Yeah, we are sitting under a heater. Anyway, so when we get done eating, we will see you guys over there at the Comedy Magic Show. See you then. All right, we made it to the James River Dockside Theater in time for Chris Stanley's comedy show. So see you inside.
The extra bottle I use. I don't even like to use a glass. Whenever that happens, I only need bottles. So I need a bottle right there, a bottle right there, a bottle right there, a bottle right there, a bottle right there. That's all the bottles I have. Unless you count that bottle, that bottle, that bottle, and that bottle. But after all, it is known as a glass and bottle trick. Ah, damn. I am so glad you like that. This is the best thing I learned in prison right here. But yeah, I love doing cards. That's what I got started with, and I want to do some card tricks for you. And I'm going to also tell you this. I'm going to use a Maverick deck of cards. This is the reason why. They don't make any decks of Maverick cards. They don't, you can even go online right now. You can take your phone out, you can look. They don't have them. So everything I do for you right now will be all sleight of hand. So I've been doing this for over 20 years. So we're gonna do a couple of card tricks. So I need, I'm coming to you. Just pick a card, any card you want. Let's grab a card. That's yours. Grab it.
Okay, so we just got out of the Chris Stanley Comedy Magic Show, and it was really good. It was a good show.
He's got his dad jokes.
He does have his dad jokes.
But they're so good.
Yeah, totally worth it. And the ending, oh, it's so wholesome. Mm-hmm. It is very wholesome. It lets you kind of a little bit of a story about his life and everything, and it hits home pretty well. So it's a really good one. So we really recommend you guys coming and seeing this. You need to get here while you can, because I think he's only here for the Spring Rider Days. So you don't want to miss that. So anyway, I think that's going to end our video today, isn't it?
So, yeah.
So anyway, we really are happy that you guys joined us for this this trip to Silver Dollar City. Look forward to more Silver Dollar City trips. we really
like and subscribe. And if you've got any questions about Silver Dollar City, put them down in the comments below.
Absolutely.
We'll try our best to answer them.
Yeah, absolutely. So with that being said, bring on the next adventure. Bye, guys.